Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a very different sort of paper art. We are going to make a pop-up card. The design for this pop-up card I have taken from internet. It's a freely available design by an artist called PopUpoLogy, and I have shared the link in the description box. You can check it out later. My printout is black and white, but the actual PDF template will have 3 different colored lines. The black lines are the ones where you make the cut. The red ones are where you do a valley fold, that is fold inside, and the blue ones are where you do a mountain fold, that is fold outside. Since I don't want any printed lines on my final cutout, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to paste this paper on top of another blank paper, and when I'll make the cut on the printed part, the same cut will also be made on the blank paper. Use a fresh sharp blade to do the cutting, as you have to cut through 2 papers. Cut along the cutting lines on your template and complete the first step of your pop-up card. Next, remove the card along the card border, as we now need to start the folding process on the paper underneath the template. And here we have our actual card underneath the template, and we need to make fold on this paper only. To make the fold, we'll need to score the folding lines. For that, I'm going to use this metallic pencil and the scale. Carefully create the crease lines. Do not press too hard or you might cut along the paper. Once all the crease lines are drawn, then your pop-up card is ready for folding. Now when I started the folding process, I was completely stumped. I just couldn't figure out from where to start the folding because the folds were not forming properly. So after many trials, I realized that folding the center line first was a better idea because it gives you a reference point. So once I folded the center line, I just did a little bit of random hit and trial here and there, and finally I got my card to fold. It was a difficult process initially for me, but I guess that once you make a couple of cards like this, it becomes easier for you. Ideally, depth of your crease lines should be such that the moment you fold the card on the center line, everything should pop out. It didn't happen in this case because the paper was a little bit thin. I only used 100 GSM paper. Had I used say 120 GSM paper, then it might have folded easily. So yeah, you need to use a higher GSM paper. Other than that, I finally managed to fold it, and only one step remained after that, that is to put it against a colorful background. For the background color, I chose a red sheet as it gives a good contrast to the white color. I cut out the same size as that of the pop-up card. I used the template again to just cut out along the border and get the same red shape. Once you have the background paper ready, create a center fold in the background also, as you would need it for the card to pop up. Carefully check if both the front and the back of the cards are properly aligned, and then flatten the card against the background. With the cutout card flattened on the background, apply glue along the places which are not supposed to pop out. After leaving it to dry for some time, when you will fold the background card, your inner card will pop out beautifully. This was my first ever experiment with pop-up card, and I quite enjoyed it. It is very quick to make and it's fun to do. In my upcoming videos, I'm also going to show you how to create these designs on your own. If you guys like this video, then please do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and bye bye.